cutting and ripping the timber to size. So we've got two sides, 1, 2, top and bottom, and 4 legs. Now the next step that I'm gonna do is cut a tenon on one of these, and then a mortise on one of the sides for the legs. Pencil lines. Now for the mortise. Into them, flick it, then one into the knife roll, very gentle, and then again here, and then slightly deeper one here, and so the knife roll should not be moved by this, and flick out, and here we go. Haven't done this in a while. Hope it's gonna go well. Check this out. Okie dokie. That's enough for today. And it's alright. Now I'm going to transfer the mortises onto the other piece of wood on the other side, which is approximately and same as before, so I'm gonna do a time lapse. T3. Number 3 done. Leg number 4. Okay, so going to do mortise number 4. Today I'm gonna start cutting the tenons on the top and bottom. The moment of truth. We've got both sides, top and bottom, and the 4 legs. All joints have been cut. So now I'll try to assemble them and see how it all fits and whether it's gonna be square and not wobbly when it's finished. Carry the weight. Once it's glued, should be fine. Now I'm going to measure the length of the sides and top and bottom of the next piece. Now we can do the other one according to the length of this one. Okay, I'm gonna do the actual cut inside. And that's it for today. I've just completed a test of a joint for the sun lounger, for the recliner to go up and down with 2 offcuts, or with just an offcut. So this is how it should work. Now I'm gonna do it on the actual pieces of wood. Right, seems like we've managed. Ta-da! I have cut the joints, the 2 pieces together. Hop. And now I'm gonna cut the pin. And yeah, perfect. And when the time comes, this will be cut off and will be glued. So cut the top to size. Now the tenons will be 55 millimeters from each side. Make a nick. cut both tenons and clean them a little bit. I'm gonna need to cut a little bit off on each side here. So I'm just gonna highlight. Okay, this side is done. Now let's do the other side. So I have marked the mortise with a knife. I'm just gonna highlight it with my pencil. There we go. Should go there. This